Storage permission allow. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can allow storage permission, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, if you want to allow storage permission, there are many ways that you can do it. First of all, open the settings app on your Android. Once you open the settings app, just go to the option known as apps and then tap on it. Under apps, tap the three dots option located at the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you'll find another option there known as special access. So all you have to do is tap on special access button. Then at the top you'll find an option that says all files access. Tap on it and then select the app for which you want to allow the permission, and then just allow the permission over here. Only the app that requires storage permission will show up here. After you do that, just come back. Under the apps page, again locate the app that you want to find, and then from there you can go to permissions. Then from here you have two of the options. One is the files access, allow files access, music and audio, allow that access as well, photos and videos, allow all these access, and storage permission will get successfully enabled. This way you can enable or allow storage permission. Hope this video is helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.